Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be checking out a Lazarus Hand Plane smoothing plane. And this is, in my opinion, like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, Lou, thank you so much for trusting me with borrowing this plane that I'm not going to drop it or anything like that. I didn't. So just thank you so much, because this is just awesome. So, to give you guys a little bit of background of Lazarus, if you guys have not heard about him, it is a man named Mateo, and he was based out of Louisville, Kentucky, and he makes these planes from scratch. So, he takes basically raw metal like this, or bar stock like this, and then mills it into a plane like this. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Look at these other planes that he has. So he has a couple available. A lot of them are sold out right now because of Handworks. My buddy Lou actually bought his plane at Handworks, so he contributed to that. He's only got 3 available, but normally there's more. But he does take orders, but look at just how gorgeous and, in my opinion, unique these planes are. He just does a phenomenal job on them. And this one right here is actually the one that we're going to be checking out. This is the one my buddy bought. It is an A2 iron. It is bedded at 50 degrees, and it's pretty small. And with the size that it is, I expected to feel a lot more resistance with planing at that higher angle, but it cut like butter. His machining on this is gorgeous. There's a couple features that I want to point out, like this. I love how he attaches everything together with these screws. I think that's really like a unique and futuristic type infill plane. I love that he also paid attention to putting a recess on the back of the cap. He also gave the knob a collar, and I just thought that that was just really cool and really unique. I love the stamp on his iron as well. I mean, this thing, again, just beautiful, phenomenal work. He goes above and beyond. It does weigh 2 pounds, 7 ounces, but I couldn't really tell in use. So on that note, it's beautiful, but does it function? Absolutely. Now let me mention that I suck at the tap of the hammer, but once you get the tap down, it functions perfectly. So as you can see, this plane is worth every penny, and Mateo did a phenomenal job. Right now, I'm testing out my skills to try to get those little tiny fluffy shavings. Once I get better at the tap, they'll be better, but there you go. I mean, you can take heavy shavings, light shavings, it's comfortable, it's solid, it's well made. Right now, I'm trying to be cool and take shavings like Rob Cosman, but I'm not that cool. And I'm not doing a good job at it, so I'm just going to call it here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you check out Lazarus Planes. If you have any questions, let us know, and have a good day.